Your question is, who was the first emperor of Rome? A. Julius Caesar, Augustus, Nero, Tiberius. Your correct option is Augustus. Your second question. Which battle is considered as the turning point of World War II in Europe? Battle of Stalingrad, Battle of Bulk, Battle of El Alamein, Battle of Midway. Your correct option is